We'll guide you through how to enable Google Drive notifications so you don't miss any important updates or shared files. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the Settings menu. In the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings panel. On the Settings page, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Notifications. Here, you can see a list of options for notifications. To receive browser notifications, make sure the Get Notifications option is turned on, which will enable pop-up notifications directly in your browser. You can also choose to receive email notifications for specific activities, such as when someone shares a file with you or leaves a comment. Simply check the boxes next to the types of notifications you want to receive via email. If you want to manage notifications on a more granular level, click on the Manage Notifications button, which will take you to a detailed settings page where you can customize further. Remember that for browser notifications to work, you may need to allow notifications from drive.google.com in your browser settings. If you're using Chrome, click on the lock icon next to the URL, select Site Settings, and make sure notifications are set to allow. This will ensure you get real-time alerts while working on other tasks. These steps will help you stay informed about changes and updates in your Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.